Can you picture a place so wild, so vast, it still hides secrets from the world? Imagine a realm where the boundaries between reality and myth blur, where every shadow could conceal a creature unknown to science, and every rustle in the leaves might be the whisper of an ancient story. The Amazon rainforest is not just a place on a map. It's a living, breathing mystery, a world that has existed for millions of years, evolving and thriving in ways we are only beginning to understand. That's the Amazon rainforest. Stretching out like a green ocean, its canopy forms a vast, unbroken sea of life. From above, it looks endless, a tapestry of emerald hues that shift and shimmer with the changing light. The sheer density of the forest is staggering. So thick that sunlight barely touches the ground, and so rich that every square metre teems with life. It's a place where the air is heavy with the scent of earth and rain, and the sounds of birds, insects and distant thunder blend into a symphony of wildness. Deep in South America, the Amazon stretches across 9 countries, so massive it's visible from space. Covering more than 5.5 million square kilometres, it's the largest rainforest on Earth, dwarfing all others in both size and biodiversity. The Amazon basin is a sprawling network of rivers, forests and wetlands, home to more species of plants and animals than anywhere else on the planet. It's a place where borders are drawn by rivers and mountains, not by human hands, and where the pulse of life beats strong and steady. It's not just a forest, it's the beating green heart of our planet. Every morning as the sun rises over the treetops, the forest awakens in a burst of colour and sound. Mist rises from the canopy, catching the first rays of light and turning the jungle into a shimmering dreamscape. Beneath the surface, roots intertwine in a complex web, connecting trees and plants in a silent conversation that has lasted for centuries. The Amazon is alive in every sense of the word, a dynamic, ever-changing ecosystem that sustains itself and, in turn, sustains us all. Picture rivers twisting like giant snakes. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the forest, winds its way for over 6,400 kilometres, carrying more water than any other river on Earth. Its tributaries form a vast network, feeding the land and providing a home for countless species. Along its banks, communities have thrived for thousands of years, living in harmony with the rhythms of the river. The water is both a highway and a barrier, a source of life and a keeper of secrets. In the rainy season, the river swells and floods the forest, creating a unique ecosystem where fish swim among the trees and dolphins glide through submerged branches. Trees soaring higher than skyscrapers, their canopies blocking out the sun. Some of these giants have stood for centuries, their trunks thick with moss and vines, their branches home to monkeys, sloths and birds of every colour. The forest floor is a world of shadows where only the hardiest plants survive, and every step reveals something new. A rare orchid, a hidden insect, a flash of movement in the undergrowth. The trees are the architects of this world, shaping the climate, the soil and the very air we breathe. Hidden beneath, jaguars prowl in silence, macaws flash through the sky, and frogs no bigger than a coin worn with neon colours. The Amazon is a sanctuary for some of the world's most extraordinary creatures. Jaguars, elusive and powerful, move like shadows through the undergrowth, their spotted coats blending perfectly with the dappled light. Macaws, with their brilliant feathers, fill the air with raucous calls as they soar above the treetops. Tiny poison dart frogs, dazzling in their bright hues, serve as a warning to predators and a reminder of the delicate balance of life here. Every creature, from the smallest ant to the largest anaconda, plays a role in the intricate web of the rainforest. Here, billions of trees create the very air we breathe. Through the miracle of photosynthesis, these trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, acting as a giant filter for the planet. The Amazon produces about 20% of the world's oxygen, making it essential not just for the creatures that live within its borders, but for all life on Earth. The leaves, in their endless variety, capture sunlight and transform it into energy, fueling the growth of the forest and supporting an astonishing diversity of life. The Amazon is called the lungs of the Earth for a reason. Every day it pumps out oxygen and pulls in carbon dioxide, keeping our world alive. But its role goes beyond just producing air. The forest helps regulate the global climate, storing vast amounts of carbon and influencing weather patterns around the world. When the Amazon thrives, the planet thrives. When it suffers, we all feel the consequences. Its health is intimately connected to our own, a reminder that we are part of a larger interconnected system. But this kingdom is under threat. Every year, millions of acres are lost to deforestation, as trees are cut down for timber, agriculture and development. The scars left behind are visible from space, patches of bare earth where once there was a thriving jungle. The loss of the forest means the loss of countless species, many of which have yet to be discovered. It means the loss of traditional knowledge, as indigenous communities are displaced and their way of life disrupted. And it means the loss of a vital ally in the fight against climate change. Every minute, parts of it disappear forever. The destruction is relentless, driven by the demand for resources and the pressures of a growing population. But the consequences are far-reaching. As the forest shrinks, so does its ability to absorb carbon, accelerating global warming and threatening the stability of the climate. The loss of habitat pushes species to the brink of extinction, and the delicate balance of the ecosystem is thrown into chaos. The Amazon is resilient, but even it has its limits. Yet wonder still reigns here, a final frontier bursting with untold mysteries. Scientists estimate that only a fraction of the Amazon species have been identified, and new discoveries are made every year. From rare plants with medicinal properties to animals that defy classification, the forest is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be unlocked. Indigenous peoples who have lived here for millennia possess a deep understanding of the land and its secrets, offering insights that could help us protect and preserve this vital ecosystem. The Amazon isn't just the largest forest on Earth. It's nature's masterpiece, reminding us of the magic we still have left to protect. It's a place of beauty and danger, of abundance and fragility. It challenges us to look beyond our own needs and consider the future of the planet. The Amazon is a living testament to the power and resilience of nature, but it is also a call to action, a reminder that what we do today will shape the world for generations to come. If we choose to protect it, we preserve not just a forest, but the very essence of life on Earth. The Amazon is our last wild miracle, and its fate is in our hands.